Ka BJP Meghalaya ha ka snginingkong klale kmen ya ka jingjop jong ka party ha ka election ha West Bengal bat Assam. Da ka bakhat ya ka ni ka jingjop kum ka jingkala ka bakra ha ka sanhima sima ha ka than shate lammi ngi ka ri India. Ha ka ni ka sngi jong ka jingle kmen la sakhi bagi dakhat ka BJP Meghalaya la wan banya dan lang da menteri ka sarkar Meghalaya uba sanbor shulai uba AL hek menteri sarkar barim ka jala na lor ki weipat kinong trei ka party. Habakran ha kinong tho ku bor haslong unong aiktian ka BJP uba kharkrang ulaang ka jingjop ka party ha West Bengal ka dei ka jingjop jong ka jingshania halor ka jingting bat kilaang ba ka ne ka result ka pen I ya ka jingkershan ki patba ka banang roi ya ka jingthmu jong menteri rangba adu kari Narendra Modi banyo ya ka vexet bharan ka BJP Meghalaya kala ai khublei ru I kinong yalam ka party bat kinong trei ka Assam ki balala ban penyo ya ka samai trei kam ka balalai sien lenter ban bat ya ka kam sanshar hapo ka jalla
Jindabad, Meghalaya BJP. Jindabad, Jindabad, Nagaland BJP. BJP का jingjop.
मिठाई खाओ, खुशी का माहौल है, खुशी का माहौल है.
मिठाई सर को ये सर you have to take sir one. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद. 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 नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद. 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 Long live नरेंद्र मोदी. Long live नरेंद्र मोदी. Long live नरेंद्र मोदी.
Assam with the thumping margin, West Bengal also with a thumping margin, and also Puducherry with a thumping margin. We congratulate our Nabin Nitin, the national president of BJP, and also we congratulate our honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and also Amit Shah, and all the leaders of the BJP, and particularly our party, Karyakarta, but work very hard to ensure the victory of BJP in all the states.
All this rises, by-elections are coming. What do you want to say now? By-elections are coming, so now
Pardon?
by-elections will be coming soon. So who are rising for?
This time, I think it will be a BJP will be clean sweep for this by-election, MP by-election. With the trend is going on, everybody, people are supporting the BJP. I have no problem at all this time, and BJP will win for this upcoming by-election, MP by-election in Meghalaya.
Preparation, you see, just take an example of Assam. Okay, I think so. This after 10 years of BJP rule in Assam, other states it's always an anti-incumbency. Here, what we find in Assam is a pro-incumbency. It does not happen. You see what has happened in Tamil Nadu? Anti-incumbency, right? But Assam, earlier our vote share, our number of seats have increased now. So you see, that is the ideology of BJP. Once you have a BJP government, that is what happens. Other parties become insignificant.
But don't you think it will be difficult because all these two states, big states, are Hindu majority states, whereas Meghalaya is a Christian majority states. It will not be a gigantic task to win.
No, you see, even if it's Christian majority also, but ultimately people want development. Okay, people want to see their children employed. People want to see their family members. Now what's happening is that even whatever qualifications you have also, it's either you leave the state or you should be happy with whatever meager wages that you get. I mean, people ultimately what they want, development in the state. And for that development, I mean, it's ample, it's very clear that it's only BJP can bring that kind of development.
Will we look